I feel like today for the Capricorns, it's a very simple reminder, and that is that you're the one that has to make these decisions in your life. Nobody else can make them for you. And on top of that, take your time. Don't force yourself to make decisions that you're not ready for, or that you don't actually feel resonate with your being, and you'll notice that in your body. There are certain decisions that you're trying really hard to make. You're just not there right now. And they're decisions that when you're there, wherever it is that you need to be, are natural for you. They don't require the type of forcing, proving, changing that you're operating from at the moment. And it's not that the decisions are not good for you either, or they're shit decisions. They're great. You're just not there yet. And it's trusting that. There's an in-between space, and it's trusting that in-between space. Your body needs something a little bit different right now, and you either respect that or you will be forced to respect that. Up to you. So instead of questioning and forcing and pushing and all that sort of stuff, stop. Write down the decisions you'd love to make, that you know you're going to make, and you will come to those decisions in due time. You're just not there right now, and that needs to be okay too.